Alright, so we back with part 2 of Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the different transitions you could use to go from one scene to the next. But before that, I'm going to show you how to import video, trim it, do some things like that, highlight it. So we're going to do that first, then get into some transitions. Now, we got to be in the edit screen, so in the top column, we're going to click on edit. I'm going to show you how to import video first. You go to File, Import. If you got it in a folder, you would choose Media Folder, but we're just going to go for the video file. So if you just want the actual video file, click on Media Files and go to your folder, your desktop, or whatever. I'm going to just grab something real quick. Let me see. Where is it? I grab this, my intro. So once you click on it and highlight it, then you click open, and you'll see it pop up right here at the top. You see the title. So there it is. So you can just click on it and drag it right down here. Okay, this is a long video, but yeah, so when you click off it, like in this black area down there, you see the video. Again, like I explained before, this is the video icon, which all the video is right here at the top. This is the sound icon right here below it, so all your audio sound will be right there. You see these blue sound waves, that's your audio. So again, we're going to leave them checked, but if I didn't want to see the video, I can uncheck it like that. But we're going to leave it checked. Of course, you could come over here and click. So yeah, that's what this screen is for. You just click play, stop it. When you click stop, you see it goes all the way back to the beginning. I'm going to just show you just some basic editing stuff before we do the transitions. So you click on it to highlight it. Actually, let me move this out the way. Okay, we can't move this over. Let's say if I wanted to trim this down, you just come to the very end. Once you see them two arrows, you just click it down like that, and it'll automatically trim it. The same thing if you want to bring it back out. You know, just go to the end. Once you see them arrows, you drag it back out. Same thing with the front. You could do that with the front as well. But we're gonna leave that alone. Let me import another video. Go to Import, Media Files. Let me see, where is it? Go in here. Got a bunch of videos. Let me see. Let's see. I just click in here. No video in there. Let's see if any video. Same thing. All right, hold up. I grabbed this trailer video right here. So you highlight it, click open. Then we want to drag it in. I'll just drag it right here. So again, you see everything right there. That's the video. That's a check mark by it right there. So what I'm going to do is bring the mouse over. When you see the hand, you can drag it, slide it to wherever you want. I'm going to just scroll over, drag this. I want it behind it. So as you see right there, the blue line is lining it up with the video file in front of it. So as I bring it up, I want it to this video to play right after the first one. So once you see the video line, the blue line, that means it's lined up right there. So of course you want to come to File and Save. You don't want to lose anything. So yeah, you just highlight it. Once you see the hand, you can drag it. Also, if you want to move both files, you just click under it, drag up, as you see right there, drag to the second one that highlights both. Then I can just put the hand on it and it'll move both files. As you can see right there, move both. So we're gonna move that back right there. So yeah, that's just as far as trimming it down, moving it, highlighting it. Those are some basic tricks right there. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at some of their transitions. So if you look in this left column right here where the mouse is, you see like this lightning symbol. It says transition room. So you're gonna double click on that. And I think I had to pay extra to get the transitions, but yeah, you see they got them in folders here. They got 12 in general. They got 3D, they got alpha, they got geometric, different types. So, all right, we're in the general folder. As you look over here to the right, it shows you how the transition comes in just like that. It fades in. You got this one. If you bring the mouse over these different ones, it'll show you what it looks like when you bring the mouse over it. So that one fades in like that. You got this one that swaps up. You just click on it, and that's how the transition is going to come in. Click on this one. You see the transition is like a clock. So I'm going to just use this one first for this first example. I'm going to slide to the end of this first video right here. And we're going to take this one. That's the one I want to use. We're going to click on it and drag it to the end of this video. And you'll see a little rectangle right there. So that orange and blue means the transition is there. So now I'm just going to move the play button a little further. We're going to click play and look at the all right, the transition's coming up right here. Yeah, what's up, YouTube? So you saw the transition had did the clock like spin. So they got different transitions in there. I'll show you some of the 3D. You just come over here to the left, click on 3D. They got different ones. Let's see which one we want to look at. I'll do this broken glass one. I'll put it at the end of this second video. So we're going to click on it, drag it over. Then we're going to move the play button forward. Okay, so now, hold on, is it there? Let me do it one more time. I think it's there. So let's, yeah, it's there. You see the blue right there. So we're going to click the play. So you just saw that transition, which is the broken glass one right there. So that's basically what it is. You just click on it and drag it to the end. Or if you want the transition at the beginning of the video, you can put it at the beginning. Let me close this out. Okay, so yeah, you just click on them. They got the page roll. They got that one that looks like blocks, different ones. Click on the geometric folder. They got geometric shapes that spin around or whatever. Click on the alpha. You get some different type of transitions here, but that's basically it. PowerDirector 17, which I believe that's the 365 upgrade. You get the transitions with them. Looks like it's over 50 or 60. But yeah, so make sure you like and subscribe, share the video. I'm going to be doing another video on PowerDirector talking about how to speed up the video, doing overlays and how to put text in, different stuff. So yeah, look out for that. That should be next week. And hit that bell to be notified when the new video drops. And subscribe. All right.